Hi guys, welcome to the Flying Chef at Home. Today I'm going to be making my signature dessert, which is a vanilla bean creme brulee, but with a slight difference. It's going to be gluten-free and dairy-free because I've had a bit of a request for this. So nice and simple. We just got some eggs, some sugar, coconut cream instead of dairy cream, vanilla essence, and a vanilla bean. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do, get the coconut cream happening, get that nice and hot. You want to bring that to the boil. 2 tins of that, so that's 800 mils. For anything like Mum, she's always asking for the recipe, so I'm going to give it to you. Normally I don't really use the recipe, I just, touch and feel, taste. And we're going to take our vanilla bean. This is split in half. This is a French vanilla bean, I know, because I bought this back from Numia myself, and they all speak French there. Into the coconut cream. And I like a lot of vanilla. Vanilla is one of the finest of the flavours. So I'm just going to add a few drops of vanilla essence as well. This is the pure stuff. Oh, yeah, vanilla. Next we're going to separate, we need 8 eggs for this. So 8 egg yolks is what we want. So just take this bowl. And we've got our Flying Chef mug. We put the egg whites in, which later on will turn into maybe anything. You can make meringues out of it, or some biscotti, anything that requires egg whites. Voila, 8 egg yolks. So just going to give the coconut and the vanilla a little bit of a stir, starting to come to temperature. So now we're going to add the sugar. This one just over half a cup, but again, if you like it a little bit sweeter, you can always add a little bit more. Now we're going to tip in our coconut vanilla cream. Now we're just going to pop this on top of our steam bath. So that's just a bit of water in there. That's going to simmer away. Put the lime in the coconut, shake it on. Oh shit. It's starting to thicken up a little bit now. You can feel the resistance when you're stirring. So that's been cooking now for about 45 minutes, almost an hour. Just going to take the vanilla bean out. Just pat it dry with a paper towel. And drop that straight into your sugar bowl. And you just leave that in there, and that's how you make vanilla sugar. So we don't need the wooden spoon anymore. You guys want a lick? Alright, I'll have a lick. Oh, so good. And we've got our little, you can put them in anything you like, Dario moles, but I thought these were pretty cool, saw them at the shop, so I thought, yeah, why not, something different. And you can put fruit or anything you want in the bottom, but just for the sake of showing you how to make the coconut vanilla bean creme brulee, I'm just going to put it in straight. Just be careful not to get this on your hands, this is very hot. But if you do spill some on your arm, that's how you clean it. What we're going to do now is just pop these in the fridge, and then we'll get the caramel underway. So to make the caramel, normally what you do to take your creme brulee, put sugar on it, and you get one of those little gas torches, and you caramelise the sugar that way, or you can get a brulee iron, which is like a metal piston head, and you leave it on the stove so it's glowing red hot, and then again you hit the sugar on the creme brulee, and it goes poof, big black cloud of carcinogenic smoke, and then you've got the crispy toffee on top. But I don't have a brulee iron or a little torch, so I'm going to show you a different way of making it. So what we're going to do, we take our vanilla sugar, take the vanilla bean out, give that a couple of whacks. This is about 1.5 cups of sugar. We're not going to need all this, but it's a lot easier if you've got more. And just going to tip that into a pot, no water, and turn the heat on high. So we're going to take our clean wooden spoon that we licked after the brulee. This was the brulee spoon. It's, you can see how clean it is now, so it means I did enjoy it. And we're just going to stir the sugar just gently. Oh, have a look at that. Look at that. That's just melted sugar, nothing else. That's what we want. This is a good thing. As you can see, it's almost ready. It's pretty much done. Just got to completely melt this. Then we're going to tip it on top of the brulees, and they'll set almost instantly. Pour it on and give it a bit of a twist. Done. Same again, you don't need too much. That's probably a little bit too much on that one. That's about the perfect amount, just like that. Beautiful. Right, they're ready. Check this out. Tack. That's what you want in a creme brulee. So now you've got bitter, sweet, smooth, crunchy, and all the flavors combined. But you're not going to take my word for it.
Hey guys! Okay, so this is the ultimate test. So I'm gonna just dig in here. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god. So I'm gluten-free and dairy-free. So this has been a very long time since I've tried a creme brulee, and I absolutely adore creme brulee. So this is a real treat. It's really kind of, yeah, this crunch on the outside and this beautiful texture in the inside. Amazing. Well done, Flying Chef. Mmm.